When peace talks failed, Bitcoin instantly plunged from its 3-week high, dropping below $71,500. The market's sharp reaction highlights just how sensitive crypto is to geopolitical risks. Investors are now watching closely for any policy moves that could trigger more volatility. Trump-linked crypto tokens have plunged from all-time highs, exposing the risks of celebrity-backed coins in a tightening regulatory climate. Trump and WLFI tokens both dropped over 75% from their peaks, as lawmakers scrutinize event-driven access and tokenomics. The meme coin market faces growing doubts about sustainability and transparency. Iran is moving to collect Strait of Hormuz tolls in stablecoins, not Bitcoin, aiming for predictable revenue in this vital shipping lane. Facing sanctions and Bitcoin's wild price swings, officials are developing a stablecoin payment framework, with pilot tests expected by late 2026. This shift could reshape digital payments in global maritime trade. Imagine accessing tokenized shares of SpaceX and OpenAI directly from your crypto wallet. Binance has integrated 5 tokenized private assets into its Web3 wallet, letting users discover on-chain exposure to major tech companies before they go public. This move marks a milestone for bringing traditional private equity onto blockchain rails. Cardano's ADA just landed in the Nasdaq Crypto Index ETF, but can this move alone spark a massive rally? CoinCodex forecasts ADA at 38 cents by Q2 2026, with whales accumulating 819 million ADA and staking yields near 3 to 4%. Yet, analysts say ETF inclusion brings exposure, not guaranteed explosive growth, as ADA's market cap math limits 10x dreams. Meta's plan to bring stablecoin payments to over 3 billion users could redefine how digital money moves across social media. By integrating third-party stablecoins like USDC into Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram in late 2026, Meta enables seamless in-app crypto transactions and global transfers. This strategy, backed by new US regulations and partnerships with firms like Stripe, positions Meta to accelerate mainstream crypto adoption and disrupt traditional payment networks. A new type of malware hides inside blockchain transactions, making it nearly impossible to remove. Investigators found this malware, called OmniStealer, can steal data from over 60 crypto wallets, password managers, and browsers. Linked to North Korean hackers, it targets developers worldwide and threatens both personal and corporate security. Even a high-profile denial from Melania Trump couldn't stop her Melania meme coin from crashing 99% after rumors of Epstein ties. The token's price remains near historic lows, showing how controversy and political attention failed to revive market interest. This highlights the extreme volatility and risk of meme coins, where hype can evaporate overnight. Anthropic's new Claude Mythos AI model has exposed thousands of software vulnerabilities, raising unprecedented cybersecurity concerns for the financial sector. U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent met with major bank CEOs to assess risks after a code leak, as regulators warn of potential threats to financial stability. Access to the AI system is now restricted to select tech giants, with fears that hackers could exploit undetected flaws dating back decades. 50 brand-new Polymarket accounts placed large bets on a U.S.-Iran ceasefire just minutes before President Trump announced it online. Lawmakers are demanding a formal investigation, suspecting insider trading due to the lack of previous activity on these accounts. The CFTC and Congress are now reviewing Polymarket's role in potentially exploiting sensitive information. Nearly half of all Bitcoin holders are now sitting on losses, a level not seen since the last bear market. The supply of BTC in profit has dropped to around 59%, signaling persistent bearish sentiment and a possible continuation of the downtrend. Analysts warn that unless the market structure shifts, further declines may be ahead. A confidential meeting between US and Iranian delegations in Pakistan could be the turning point for both oil and crypto markets. With the Strait of Hormuz crisis pushing oil toward $100 and inflation at 3.3%, traders are watching if these talks can ease macro volatility. Bitcoin remains above $72,000, but any outcome from the talks may quickly ripple through digital assets, showing how global politics now directly sway crypto prices.